Hello everyone. Today we will learn integration by substitution. Okay. We know this formula. Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Condition is when n is not equal to minus 1. Because if n is equal to minus 1, then it will become x to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by x. And we know the formula for 1 by x. Okay. And you can see here, if you will put n equal to minus 1, then integrand doesn't exist, because if you will put minus 1 in place of n, then minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and we know if 0 comes in the denominator, then the fraction doesn't exist. Okay, that's why for this formula we have this restriction that n is not equal to minus 1, and for n equal to minus 1 we have another formula, that is x to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by x. Okay, and integration of 1 by x is log x. Okay, now let's continue our chapter integration by substitution using this formula. Okay, x to the power integration of x to the power n. See, suppose one example is there. We have to find integration of 3x plus 5 whole to the power 4. Okay, we have to integrate this term. What is this? This term is 3x plus 5 whole to the power 4. Okay, we don't know its formula to integrate. Okay, so here we will use substitution method. What is this? See, this function is in the form of x to the power n form, x to the power n or x to the power 4 form. Okay, and in place of x, one linear term 3x plus 5 is there. Okay, so what we will do here, we will put t as 3x plus 5. Okay, we will put t as 3x plus 5. Okay, after putting t as 3x plus 5, what we will do, we will do derivative of t with respect to x, because t is a function of x, so we will find derivative of t with respect to x. Now find derivative of t with respect to x. Left hand side derivative of t is written, and right hand side we know derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, because derivative of x is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, and plus 5 is a constant, derivative of 5 is 0, so 3 plus 0 equal to 3. So derivative of t we got 3. Okay, now simplify this term like this, dt equal to 3 dx. Okay, I have multiplied this dx term to the right hand side. Okay, now again next step what I have done, I have taken this 3 term to the left hand side. Here 3 is multiplied with this term, so I have divided here with dt. Okay, so what we have got, we have got dx as dt by 3. Okay, here we will put t as 3x plus 5 and dx as dt by 3. Okay, put it here, see what it results. Here after putting t in place of 3x plus 5, we got t to the power 4, because you have written t in place of 3x plus 5, so it becomes t to the power 4, and dx is what, dt by 3. Here you found, so put it here. Now it becomes dt by 3. Okay, now by 3 means 1 by 3 is multiplied here, so 1 by 3 is a constant, so take this 1 by 3 term to the outside of the integration, so it becomes 1 by 3 into integration t to the power 4. Okay, now it came to this form, x to the power n dx form. So here in place of x, t terms are there, here t, here x and dx is there, so here t dt is there, t and dt is there, and in place of n, here 4 is there. Okay, so apply this formula, integration of t to the power 4 is equal to t to the power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 plus c. Now it becomes t to the power 5 by 5, so this is equal to 1 by 3 into t to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Okay, here we have taken t as 3x plus 5, so again put back 3x plus 5 in place of t. Here t to the power 5 is there, so I have written here 3x plus 5 to the power 5. Okay, now you have got this term. Now here in the denominator 3 and 5 is there, multiply these two, you will get here 3x plus 5 whole to the power 5 divided by 15 plus c. Got it? Here I will solve another example. Here same type, x plus 3 whole to the power 7. Okay, this is also in same format, so put t as x plus 3. So dt derivative of t is what? Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 3 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So dt by dx equal to 1. Multiply dx to the right hand side, then here dt and dx both are equal. So put it here. In place of x plus 3 I will put t. Here x plus 3 to the power 7 is there, so it becomes t to the power 7. And in place of dx you have written dt. So here I have written dt. Now it becomes integration of t to the power 7. Okay. Now we know integration of t to the power 7 is what? T to the power 7 plus 1 8 divided by 7 plus 1, that is equal to 8. T to the power 8 by 8 plus c. Okay. And again put back the value of t. What was that? It was x plus 3. T was x plus 3. Put it here. So answer, this is the answer. What is this? This is x plus 3 whole to the power 8 divided by 8 plus c is the answer. Okay, got it. Now come to another form, this 1 by x form. Okay, we know integration of 1 by x is what? ln mod x plus c. Okay, integration of 1 by x is ln mod x plus c. Okay, now here one example is there, dx, integration of dx divided by 2x plus 1. Dx divided by 2x plus 1 means 1 by 2x plus 1 into dx. That means we have to find the integration of 1 by 2x plus 1. Okay, now 1 by 2x plus 1 is in this form, 1 by x form. Okay, in place of x 2x plus 1 is there. So what we will do, we will put t is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, here I have put t is equal to 2x plus 1. So now by previous examples, find derivative of t. Derivative of t is 2. Okay, now multiply this dx term to the right hand side. Here dt is equal to 2 dx. Okay, and keep dx, only dx term in the right hand side. So we have to divide this 2 term to the left hand side. So dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, now put here, see here 1 by 2x plus 1 is there. So we have taken t as 2x plus 1. Put it here 1 by t, and dx what we have got? We have got dt by 2. Okay, here write dt by 2 in place of dx. Okay, and like previous example, 1 by, divided by 2 means 1 by 2 is multiplied. Here constant term is 1 by 2. Take that 1 by 2 term is to the outside of the integration. Now we got integration of 1 by t, and we know integration of 1 by t is what? Here integration of 1 by x is ln mod x plus c. So integration of 1 by t is equal to what? Integration of 1 by t is equal to what? ln modulus of t plus c. Okay, and again put the value of t. What was value of t? Value of t was 2x plus 1. Okay, put it here. So answer is 1 by 2 ln modulus of 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay, got it. Now come to another example. Here you know this formula, integration of a to the power x is a to the power x divided by ln a plus c. Okay, integration of a to the power x is a to the power x divided by ln a plus c. Okay, for example, I have given here a to the power 5x plus 3. You have to find the integration of a to the power 5x plus 3. This example is in this form. Okay, so what we will do, we will put 5x plus 3 as t. Okay, put t equal to 5x plus 3. Then again find derivative of t. Derivative of t is equal to 5. Okay, and take this 5 to the left hand side and dx to the right hand side. So dx is equal to what? Dt by 5. Okay, now put it here. In place of 5x plus 3 I have written t, and in place of dx I have written dt by 5. Okay, now this is divided by 5, so 1 by 5 will be gone outside of the integration. Now only integration of a to the power t is there. Integration of a to the power x is a to the power x divided by ln a plus c. So integration of a to the power t is equal to what? A to the power t divided by ln a, and 1 by 5 was already there. Again put back the formula, put back the value of t here. t is 5x plus 3, so put it here. 1 by 5 into a to the power 5x plus 3 divided by ln a plus c. Okay. Similarly, another example here, integration of e to the power x is there. Integration of e to the power x is what? E to the power x plus c. Okay. Now take an example. Integration of e to the power 3x plus 7 is given. Okay. So what we will do? This is on this form. So what we will do? We will put t in place of 3x plus 7. Okay. We will put t in place of 3x plus 7. Put t equal to 3x plus 7. After finding derivative of t, we will get what? dt by dx is equal to 3, and by simplifying we will get dt by 3 equal to dx. I have done it directly here. Okay. And put t in place of 3x plus 7 and dt by 3 in place of dx. Okay. Now what we have got? Take 1 by 3 to common, and integration of et is there, and integration of et is et, we know by this formula et plus. Here integration of e to the x is e to the x plus c. So integration of e to the t is equal to e to the t plus c. So answer is 1 by 3 e to the t plus c, and put back the value of t here. So I have got 1 by 3 into e to the power 3x plus 7 plus c. Okay, simple. Similarly, for trigonometric example also, we know this formula, integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x plus c. Okay. So see here one example, integration of sin 2x plus 5 dx. Okay. So it is in sin form. So in place of x, 2x plus 5 is there. So put 2x plus 5 in place of so put t in place of 2x plus 5. Here I have put, and again I have, after finding derivative, I have got like this, dt by 2 equal to dx. So put t in place of 2x plus 5 and dt by 2 in place of dx. So take 1 by 2 common. Integration of sin t is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2 cos t plus c, and again put back the value of t here. So minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 5 plus c. Okay. These are the integration by substitution method. Okay. I think from these all examples you have got a clear idea how to do integration by substitution. Okay. Now I will tell some shortcuts for this method. Okay. Now come to some shortcuts. Here in first example you have done like this. Okay, you have used this property. Now I will tell one shortcut to these examples. What is that? See, this is the shortcut. Here one formula is there, integration of a to the power x plus b whole to the power n is equal to 1 by a into a to the power x plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. Okay, if you will remember this formula, then you will solve this example directly. Here see, I have given the solution for this example here. Okay, see, same example I have taken. Okay, here see, in this formula, a is the coefficient of x, and b is a constant. Okay, here 3x plus 5 is there. Okay, so coefficient of x is 3, that means coefficient of x is here a, means value of a is equal to 3. Okay, value of a is equal to 3, and value of b is equal to 5, and n is 4. Okay, here in place of n 4 is there, so n is 4. Now apply this formula directly. By applying this formula directly, what we will get? We will get, here see, here a is 3, so 1 by 3 into ax plus b. Here ax plus b is 3x plus 5. Okay, so 3x plus 5, and to the power n plus 1 is there, so n is here 4, so it will be 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. By simplifying, we will get 1 by 3 into 3x to the power 3x plus 5 to the power 5 divided by 5 plus c, and multiplying these two denominators, 3 into 5, we will get 15. So answer is 3x plus 5 divide 3x plus 5 to the power 5 divided by 15 plus c. Okay, what we have got earlier, the same result you will get here. Okay, see here you have to use the here you have used the substitution method, and you have to do little bit more steps. Okay, here you have done more steps, but by using this formula you got the answer directly in a shortcut way. Okay, now you see here also I have given this example. For this example also we have one shortcut is there. Okay, what is that shortcut? Okay, the shortcut is, see here I have given integration of 1 by ax plus b. Integration of 1 by ax plus b is equal to 1 by a ln modulus of ax plus b plus c. Okay, here the same example I have doing it in shortcut way using this formula. Okay, so you can easily see here that coefficient of x here 2, coefficient of x is 2, that means a is here 2 and b is equal to 1. Okay, here ax plus b is there, here 2x plus 1 means a value of a is 2, value of b is 1. So apply this formula directly. Integration of this equal to what? 1 by a, so 1 by 2 ln modulus of ax plus b, ln modulus of 2x plus 1. In one step you have got the answer, you have got this answer. See, both the examples same. Here you have done several steps, but in one step you have got the answer here. Okay, now some another shortcuts here I am giving. See, for this formula as well. Okay, here I have explained the solution here for a to the power 5x plus 3. Okay, see here another shortcut formula is there. What is that? Integration of px plus d, integration of a to the power px plus d is equal to 1 by p into a to the power px plus d divided by ln a plus c. Okay, here I have taken coefficient of x as p. Okay, coefficient of x as p. So here coefficient of x is 5, so answer will be 1 by p means 1 by 5 into a to the power px plus d means a to the power 5x plus 3 divided by ln a. Here a is same here, I have not changed, so a is fixed. So in here we will get ln a. Okay, this is the answer, 1 by 5 into a to the power 5x plus 3 divided by ln a plus c. Okay, now I will give you this thing also we have done. Okay, here also I have for this example I have also explained this example how to solve it. Okay, for this example also one shortcut is there. What is that? E to the power ax plus b, integration of e to the power ax plus b is 1 by a e to the power ax plus b. This example you have solved in several steps. Here I am solving it in one step. E to the power 3x plus 1, 3x plus 7 is equal to, here coefficient of x is a, here coefficient of x is 3, so a is equal to 3 here, so 1 by a means 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into e to the power 3x plus 7. Okay, plus c. For trigonometric case also same. Here you can see the example I have solved here. Sin 2x plus 5, I have got the result that 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 5 plus c. Okay, for this example also I have shortcut, means I have a formula. If you will use that formula, then you will get the solution directly. Okay, so here is the integration of sin ax plus b is minus 1 by a cos ax plus b. Okay, so here for this in this example sin 2x plus 5 means here value of a is 2, so minus 1 by a means minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 5 plus c. Okay, here are the shortcuts, and some for other trigonometric functions also we have shortcuts here, like I have given here. See, cos ax plus b, integration of cos ax plus b equal to 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. Okay, you know, integration of cos x is 1 by a sin x, sorry, integration of cos x is what? Only sin x plus c. Okay, but integration of cos ax plus b is equal to, first only one term 1 by a will be multiplied. What is 1 by a, or what is a? A is the coefficient of x. Here it doesn't depend on b, only depend on a. What is a? A is coefficient of x. Okay, a is coefficient of x. Only you have to write one extra term 1 by a into sin ax plus b plus c. Okay, similarly this formula sec square ax plus b, integration of sec square ax plus b. Okay, similarly we know sec square x is integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Okay, but integration of sec square ax plus b is equal to 1 by a, only this 1 by a term will come, and tan ax plus b. Similarly, integration of sec x into tan x is what? Sec x, but integration of sec ax plus b into tan x plus b is equal to 1 by a sec ax plus b plus c. Similarly, integration of cosec square x is what? Minus cot x. Okay, but cosec square, integration of cosec square ax plus b is equal to minus a into cot ax plus b. Okay, and last formula, you know what? Integration of cosec x into cot x is what? Minus cosec x, but integration of cosec ax plus b into cot ax plus b is equal to minus 1 by a into cosec ax plus b. Okay, and you can observe here, in every shortcut formula, okay, in every shortcut formula this 1 by a term is coming. Okay, in this formula we have got 1 by a term. Okay, now in this formula also we have got this 1 by a term. Okay, and other formulas that I have given you here a to the px plus d. Okay, here coefficient of, I have taken coefficient of x as p, because if initially I was taking a, here both a will get confusion, so I have here written p only. So p is the coefficient of x, so 1 by p is means from all these shortcuts what you have got? You have got that 1 by a or 1 by p. What is a or p? A or p, a and p are what? A and p are coefficients of x. Okay, a and p are coefficients of x. We have to divide that 1 by a term, or divide a term or multiply 1 by a term in the beginning. Okay, some more examples are I have given. These are some special cases. Sometimes you may got confusion what to do with this type of examples. See here, one example I have given, integration of x plus 3 to the power 7. Okay, integration of x plus 3 to the power 7. Here see, coefficient of x is 1 here, only x means coefficient of x is 1, so value of a is here 1 and b is 3. Then use this shortcut formula, integration of ax plus b whole to the power n is equal to 1 by a into a to the power x plus b whole to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, here n is 7 but a is 1, so here 1 by a means here 1 by 1, and 1 by 1 is 1, and x plus 3 to the power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1, and here is the solution, x plus 3 to the power 8 divided by 8 plus c. And one more example, here it is given, integration of 5 minus x to the power 6, integration of 5 minus x to the power 6. Okay, here you can see coefficient of x is minus 1, Okay, here it is written in reversed order. Initially we were getting what, 3x plus 5, otherwise x plus 3. X term was in the beginning, but in this example x term in second place. X term is in second place. 5 minus x is there, and minus x means what? Minus x means coefficient of x is minus 1. Coefficient of x is minus 1. So here a will be minus 1. If here if here you will get, it will be there like this, 5 minus 2x. Okay, if I have given here 5 minus 2x, that means coefficient of x is what? Minus 2. So a will be minus 2. Okay, a will be minus 2, but here only minus x is there, so coefficient of x is minus 1. That means a value of a is equal to minus 1. So apply the same formula. 1 by a means 1 by minus 1 into 5x minus 6 to the power 5 minus x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by 6 plus 1, and answer is here 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. So minus into 5 minus x to the power 7 divided by 7 plus c. Okay, got it? Thank you.